Not all gluten-free flour is good for blood sugar. Cassava flour has become very popular for gluten-free breads. And yes, it can make beautiful tortillas and flatbreads. But nutritionally, it behaves mostly like starch. For people watching blood sugar, there are better options. Chickpea flour, sometimes called gram flour or besan, has been used for centuries in Mediterranean and Indian cooking. It is made from ground chickpeas and offers a naturally higher protein and fiber content than most traditional flours. Because of this combination, chickpea flour digests more slowly and can help create meals that feel satisfying without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Benefits of chickpea flour include higher protein content, natural fiber that supports digestion, a lower glycemic impact compared with refined flour, a rich, slightly nutty flavor. Chickpea flour works well for flatbreads, wraps, savory pancakes, thickening soups, and stews. Many traditional cultures have used chickpea flour for generations because it provides nourishment that lasts longer than refined grains. Barley flour is another excellent choice that has been part of traditional European cooking for centuries. One reason barley stands out is its high level of beta-glucan fiber, which research has shown can support steady blood sugar and heart health. Barley flour provides significant fiber content, slow digestion, long-lasting energy, a mild, slightly sweet flavor. Barley flour works well in rustic breads, muffins, pancakes, blended flour recipes. Because of its fiber content, barley often creates a more gradual rise in blood sugar compared with refined wheat flour. Small changes in the kitchen can make a meaningful difference over time. Sometimes the healthiest shift is not eliminating foods we enjoy, but learning how to prepare them in better ways. From the kitchen, with gratitude.